Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Ma'am is going to show you one thing. Shall we see that? So the light which is glowing now is known as slanting line. So the light is glowing this way and this way. So this both are known as slanting line. So now see children, the light is glowing in a vertical position. So this side and this side. So this is known as vertical line or standing line. Can you see this line is standing. When we stand also, we look alike this line. Okay children, so this is known as standing line or vertical line. So the portion which is glowing now is known as horizontal line or sleeping line. When you sleep in your home, you look like this line. So this is known as sleeping line or horizontal line. So kids, from the glowing of the light, we saw three types of lines. That is slanting line, standing line and sleeping line. Now the lines are majorly divided into two groups. So the first part is straight line. S, T, R, A, I, G, H, T. Straight line. L, I, N, E. Straight line. So all the lines which all are straight is known as straight line. Next one is curved line. C, U, R, V, E, D. Curved line. L, I, N, E. So the lines are divided into two major groups, that are straight lines and curved lines. Below the straight lines we have another three types, that is vertical line, vertical line. Vertical line is also known as standing line or standing. I-N-G. Standing line. L-I-N-E. So the vertical line is also known as standing line. Now shall we spell this children? V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L. Vertical line or standing line. It looks like this. So this is a vertical line or standing line. Horizontal line. H, O, R, I, Z, O, N, T, A, L. Horizontal. L, I, N, E. Horizontal line. Horizontal line is also known as sleeping line or sleeping line. S, L, E, E, P, I, N, G. Sleeping. L, I, N, E. So it looks like this. So this is horizontal line or sleeping line. Okay children. The next line is slanting line. S, L, A, N, T, I, N, G. Slanting. L, I, N, E. Slanting line. Slanting line may be forward slanting line or backward slanting line. So it may be forward or backward. The slanting line may be forward slanting line or backward slanting line. Okay children. So these are all three type of straight lines. In curved line you have curve. C-U or V-E. The curve may be upward open curve, downward open curve, rightward open curve or leftward open curve or even full curve, that is this is full closed curve. So these are all types of curved lines. Okay children. Now what all the things around you, if you see, it all has some shapes. That shapes are formed of lines. So from these lines we can form many shapes. Shall we see what are the shapes are formed from these lines? The shapes are majorly divided into two groups, that is flat shape and solid shape. F L A T, flat shape. S H A P E, flat shape. Solid shape. The next type is solid shape. S O L I D, solid shapes. S H A P E, solid shape. Okay children, from this you would have come to know that today we are going to discuss about lines and shapes. So today what is our topic? Our topic is lines and shapes. L-I-N-E-S, lines and shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S, lines and shapes. Okay children, ma'am is telling you flat shape, solid shape. What is the difference between flat shape and solid shape? First let me tell you some examples of flat shape and solid shape. Okay, so flat shape, square. First example is square. Yes, Q-U-A-R-E, square. Okay children, shall we see a square now? So this is a square. Okay, so this is a flat shape and this is a square. How I tell that this is a square? This shape has 4 sides. Shall we count it? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many sides it have? It have 4 sides. And how many corners it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 corners. So a shape which has 4 sides and 4 corners are known as a square. Okay children, and this 4 sides must be equal in size. So this size, all the 4 sides must be equal. Then only we can say it has a square. Next one is rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. So this is a rectangle. Even this rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. But what is the difference between square and rectangle means? Square has 4 equal sides. So all the 4 sides are equal. But in rectangle, the length and breadth are equal. The opposite sides are equal. So the upside is equal to the downside. The left side is equal to the right side. Okay children, so when the opposite sides are equal, it is known as a rectangle. Next side is triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. So this is a triangle. Tri, by the name tri itself, you can come to know that it has 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. These 3 sides may be equal, may not be equal. In triangle, you have many types. If all the 3 sides are equal, it is known as a equilateral triangle. Okay children, the next side is circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. So in circle, you don't have any side, any corner. It is a closed curve. It is round. No children, where it is starting, where it is ending, you cannot find it. It is a closed curve. So this is a circle. Next, we are going to see what are all solid shape. Before going to solid shape, I will tell you the main difference between flat shape and solid shape. This flat shape is also known as 2D shape. 2D shape. The solid shape is also known as 3D shape. What is 2D? What is 3D? I will tell you this D. D represents dimension. So when a shape has two dimension, length, breadth. So when it is having only two dimension, it is known as 2D shape or flat shape. When a shape has three dimension, that is length, breadth and height, it is known as 3D shape or solid shape. So when a shape has only two dimension, that is length, L-E-N-G-T-H, length, and breadth, B-R-E-A-D-T-H. So when you have length and breadth alone, that shape is known as 2D shape or flat shape. Solid shape, three dimension, you have length, L-E-N-G-T-H, length, breadth, B-R-E-A-D-T-H, breadth and height, H-E-I-G-H-T. So when you have this three dimension, it is known as solid shape or three dimensional shapes. Now I will tell you some examples of solid shapes. So the first example for solid shape is cube. C-U-B-E, cube. In this cube you have 6 faces and 8 vertices. Shall we count the faces, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are 6 flat faces and the corners are known as vertices. This can be known as corners or vertices. So cube has 6 flat faces and 8 vertices. Next, cuboid. Cuboid is also similar to cube only, but in cube you will have equal distance and in cuboid you will have opposite sides equal. Same way in cuboid also you have 6 flat faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you will have 6 flat faces and 8 vertices. The third example is cone. Cone has 1 curved face and 1 flat face. So cone has 1 curved face and 1 flat face. The next example is cylinder. In cylinder you will have 1 curved face and 2 flat faces. Up and down you will have 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. So the last example for solid shape is sphere. Sphere has 1 curved face. Now see children, cube, C-U-B-E, cube, cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid, cone, C-O-N-E, cone, cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder, sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. So these are all the examples of solid shape. Now we are going to play a game. Who all like games, children? So all likes game. No children, now we are going to play some game. Ready? Ma'am have one flat surface. Okay. Now I am going to place all the solid shape on this plain surface and we are going to find out what all the shapes are sliding down and what are the shapes are rolling down. Shall we? So ma'am is going to place the cube on the flat surface. See what happens? What happens, children? The cube slides down. The cube slides down. Why it slides down? It slides down because it has a flat surface. It has a flat face. So however you rotate it, in what phase you rotate it, the cube will slide. Okay children, now shall we try it with cuboid? Now see here, cuboid. Ma'am is placing a cuboid. What happened? The cuboid is also sliding. Ma'am is changing its face. See, this is also sliding. When you keep it, this is also sliding. However you turn it, it will slide because this is also having a flat face. Now let's try with cone. Now ma'am is going to place the cone. What happened, children? The cone rolled down. The cone rolled down. Why did the cone roll down? Because it has a curved face. Now here we have the flat face. I am going to place the flat face. See what happened? It slided down. Fine children. Now ma'am was going to place the cylinder. So what happened, children? The cylinder rolled down because it is also having a curved face. When you turn the cylinder and keep the flat face, the shape will slide down. Okay children, same way see here sphere. When you keep a sphere, the sphere will roll down. The sphere will roll down because it has a curved face. Okay children, now we are going to see some examples of solid shapes. In and around us, in our home, we have, everywhere we have solid shapes. The example for cube is Rubik's cube and dice. Next, the example of cuboid is gift pack or gift box or your pencil box. Your pencil box is also in cuboid shape. Next, the example of cylinder is the container or battery cell. Okay, this is also in a cylindrical shape. Next, the example for cone is cone. This is also a cone, and who all are like cone ice? Cone ice cream. I like cone ice cream very much. Who all likes cone ice cream very much? Yes, you also like cone ice cream, no? So when you eat, what is the shape of that biscuit? Cone. That is in the shape of a cone. The example of sphere is ball, which you all play in your home. Okay children. Now this is of flat shapes and solid shape. Shall we all recall it once? What is the first flat shape we saw? It was a square. Yes, Q-U-A-R-E, square. What are the properties of it? It has 4 sides and 4 corners. All the sides were equal. So, square has 4 sides and 4 corners. All the sides are equal. What was the second flat shape? The second flat shape was rectangle. So, rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 corners. First let us spell rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. What is the similarity between rectangle and square? The similarity between the rectangle and square is both has 4 sides and 4 corners. But in square, 4 sides were equal. In rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. See, opposite sides are equal. The third flat shape is triangle. Triangle. In triangle, you have 3 sides and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and 3 corners. The sides may be equal, may not be equal. Okay, children. The next flat shape is circle. Okay. So, circle has no side, no corner. It is a closed curve. Where it is starting, it will come and end there. Okay, children. It is a closed curve. Next, we are going to see solid shapes. The first solid shape was cube. Cube has 6 flat faces and 8 vertices. What is vertices? Vertices is also known as corners. And in the corner where the two lines meet, this is only known as vertices or corners. In the line meet agudhu illaya, adha vandu corner illana vertices nu solrom. Okay children. So cube, it has 6 flat faces and 8 vertices. Next, cuboid. Cuboid has 6 flat faces and 8 vertices. Similar as cube. The difference between this both is that has equal sides. This has, in this the opposite sides are equal. Okay children. Next, cone. Cone has 1 flat face and 1 curved face, and it has 1 vertices. 1 flat face, 1 curved face and 1 vertices, that is cone. Cylinder. Cylinder has 2 flat faces, 1 curved face, and it does not have any vertices, that is cylinder. Last one is sphere. Sphere has only 1 curved face. Okay children, I hope you have learnt about the shapes and lines. Now go in your home and search the things which you have similar to this shapes and lines. Thank you.